I'm for big crochet.
Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to take a look at some more dragon crochet patterns. Let's start off with this blue-eyed beauty. Such a cute little thing. I love the two colors in the wings and everything. Very sweet, and the little smirky smile and his little wizard friend. Adorable. Very cute. This colorful creature is a nice dragon too. Here he is in different colors from Neogurumi. Absolutely fun and sweet. Ready for some dragon cuddles. Adorable. Now this fierce creature is fantastic. Look at this pattern. Massive feet, big scales on and a fantastic wings. This is a serious dragon. And look at the dragon butt going on here. Fantastic. This is a cute little amigurumi dragon. Very sweet little tongue there, a little smile. Very nice. I like the color scheme with the two-tone green and the purple as a accent color. This one is in need of a bit of a hug. Very cute. Nice plump face with cute nostrils, and the blue and green is a fantastic color combination. This one has blue and green as well, but in the different, in the opposite color. So blue with green. I love the little wings. It's very fun. This is very sleek, modern lines, and very fun. I like the yarn used on this one. It's a great idea to use this kind of yarn on a dragon. And here's different color, very friendly face, also because of the eyelids. It's a great idea. Look at how friendly this guy is. Adorable. And here's a bit more pointy faced little dragon. They are here in their natural habitat of the backyard. They are adorable, fierce looking things. Very fun. And the Ildiko, of course, with a three-headed dragon. Keeping the heads up from this narrow neck does require some hardware, obviously, but that is also fun. And you can give everyone, as you can tell here, its own expression. This is the angry one, and these are just a little bit confused. Very nice, very fun. These are two are adorable, like a little mommy and a little baby dragon. They are very sweet. I love the shape of the ears with the little pointy things, and the little details are adorable. The little face is cute. Completely different. These are small and they come with their own little egg. And I love that the eyes are embroidered and it fits in its own little egg, so it's nice and snug. And it's it's adorable. It's very sweet. This is almost a little devil, especially when you crochet it in the red, with the pointy tail and everything. And here it is in progress. But he does have a nice and friendly face. This one is adorable. Little, cute little amigurumi dragon. Little wings there, and ready for some nursery fun. Here's a lovey or a snuggle thingy with the dragon on it. Oh, it's just adorable. Look at this. It's so cute. This is from a top view. I love the little details, but also the nice clean lines. If it is for a baby, I might be inclined to change the safety eyes for embroidered eyes, just to make sure nothing comes off. And of course, every single item that has been sewn on has to be incredibly sturdy. A little plump one, very nice. Cool color scheme as well with the purple feet. And here's another little chunky dragon. Now this is a dragon. Look at it. It's fantastic. Even in pastel colors, this dragon is completely fierce. Look at the scales on the belly. That's such a cool detail. Not just pointy scales on the back, but also scales on the belly. And look at those wings. I think a little hardware is probably in order required for this one. I think this is the same one in different colors. It is. Look, and look at the shape of the head. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love the ridges of the of the eyebrows. Here it is in fierce black and red. Absolutely, and he has had a pedicure. It's very cool. I absolutely love the scales on the front. And a completely different sort of Yoshi looking one. It's a little bit sad, but if you can give him a little dragon hug, I'm sure he'll be your friend for life. And he loves popcorn. That's a good trait in a dragon, I suppose. Here's a little dragon, very cute, and it has a very sweet face. Now this is the pièce de résistance. This dragon is absolutely fantastic. Not just the just look at it. I mean, it is fabulous. The shape of every part of this. The neck is shaped particular. The head is absolutely gorgeous. The wings are fantastic. There's a shape in the tail even. And look at these hind legs. They're absolutely fantastic. And I have to say, I think the coloring is done, this kind of coloring is done with paint. So this way you don't have to go searching for the perfect yarn for this. It is absolutely fantastic. And my ambition, I suppose, in life is to create this one in a massive scale. Some hardware is required to keep those wings up. And look at those nails on those feet. I'm not sure, but it is like beads or something. Let's zoom in on the nails, because I think that is such a great idea. Hang on there. Maybe it's a particular kind of bead. I'm not sure. But it is fantastic. I absolutely love this one. That's it for the dragon crochet pattern roundup. I do have another one. I will try to link it if I don't forget it. You can search it in my videos. That one is fantastic as well. I hope you find your favorite and get some dragon crocheting going. I wish you happy crocheting.